Howdy, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, or BWC. Today we're going to open and build one of these Hot Wheels. It's called Breakthrough Crazy Curves, City Speedway. Here it is. There's the back of it, shows you what you can do with it. Comes with a car. We'll open it and build it and show you how it works. Alright, let's open it and see what we can do here. Not easy to open, is it? Comes the parts. Decals, instructions. See how we get the car out up here. There's your car. There's your instruction manual. Tells you what to do, how to put it together. I think it's time to get started. Okay, we're going to start taking everything out of the packages now and get ready to put this thing together, put the decals on it and all. Some of them. More of them. Goes out of the way. Let's see where our decals go here now. Alright, let's put some of these decals on. This looks like number 2 here. And here. Number 2. Let's see. 12. There's this one right here. Okay, now then, this one is number 9. 9 is the arrow right here. Fits right in the arrow spot right there. Alright. Now then, this one is 14 and 15. Okay, 14 and 15 goes right here. 15. Okay, got those. This one gets 16. They've got the slots here for them, show you where they fit. Right there, 16 and 7. Seven goes right there. Alright. That one. This top piece gets 6 on the back. There's 6 right there. says Hot Wheels. Like that. 6, 4, and 5 go right here. Looks like 5 goes on top. Right there's 5, 4, here's the bottom one, like that. Okay, what do we got here? This piece gets 10 and 11. 10 is right here. I can get it off here. 10 goes right up here. Right there. 11 goes right down here in front of it. Right there. There we go. What do we got here? This one gets 3, 8. Where's 3? 3 is right there. There's number 8 is the arrow. Right in that little slot for the arrow right there. 8, 13 goes down here. Okay. I think that's all the decals we're going to put on for now. Let's do a little building. We need this piece. We need this piece. It goes right in here like this. Slips right in. This piece fits right in here like so. There we go. That fits right here. Like that. Okay, I got that piece. We need these two. I need this one. And I need this one. Okay. This one goes right here. Like so. This one goes in here. Look, it only fits in one way, so you're okay there. Like I need this one, and this one, okay? Looks like that fits in there right there. Okay. Guess it's got to be this one. right there. All else fails, read the directions. Okay. Ford gets this and this. Goes in right there. There we go. Fits right in there. Okay. Now we got this thing right here. This piece goes right here. Like that. The long piece fits right here. Like so. There we go. Fits like that. And goes to these two things right here. There. And this one goes right here, like so. This one goes right here. It's right in there and right in there. Okay. This one goes right here. Okay. Like the car goes in here. Working garage. Scanner rotates. There it goes. It rotates. Tune your racer. Okay. Okay. Open gate. Like so. Close the gate and launch the car. Lock the crash gate. There's your crash gate. If you undo that, it unlocks. Okay. Car crashes out. Okay, if you unlock the gate like this, your car's going to go out. Whoa! Like that. Okay. See if we can get this to go. Alright, let's see. Oh, it goes out. Alright, well he's out there for right now. Close the gate. Okay. You can connect the other Hot Wheels stuff right here. Okay. And there's your setup. Alright. Got it all put together now. Alright, let's see how this thing works now. Here's your garage. If you need to work on the car, he fits in there. I guess you could store him in there too. Like that. Car in here. Goes across. Right here, you come back and close your gate behind him, like so. And then, see if you can get him to, there we go, alright. Now if you open the gate here, I think he's going to crash out. Let's see how it does. It didn't do him hard enough, did it? Uh-oh, fell over. Well, Oh, yeah, gate's open, but he didn't go out. Let's see. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, well that's how it works. So, good little setup. So, these are available pretty much everywhere. I got this in at Walmart. So, alright, we will see you next time.